Thank you. While carbon monoxide was building up inside the rink, there was a holiday hockey tournament being held inside. Hope Winter spoke to a player and his father, who also coaches one of the teams.
Nervous, scared. I didn't know what was going on.
8-year-old goalie Ethan Conti was on the ice at the Holiday Twin rinks when he and his hockey teammates started to experience symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning.
I started to feel lightheaded. My legs couldn't move. I couldn't stand.
Initially, I think we all thought that maybe there's a little flu bug going around. It was 1 or 2 kids in that first game, so we thought, nobody share water bottles, everybody kind of space out on the bench, space out in the locker room a little bit. And then things started to escalate.
His father and coach Joe Conti of the East Aurora Yetis says their team was playing their second game in a holiday tournament when he says players started dropping like flies. After the building was evacuated, Ethan was sent to Oshai Children's Hospital by ambulance, and more than half of his team also received oxygen and hospital care, and they weren't the only ones.
At least from Children's, they were putting oxygen tanks in the waiting room because they couldn't see these kids fast enough.
Cheektowaga police tell us 111 people sought hospital treatment throughout the area last night and this morning. Conti tells us Ethan and other members on the team are feeling back to normal now, but they want more accountability from the rink.
It's your facility. You've got young children, families, spectators in and out of that building on a constant basis. It's a public facility. The health of your patrons should be of utmost importance.
The Holiday Twin Rink said Thursday that they would pay out-of-pocket costs for anyone who was at the rink that night and received medical care. I followed up with Conti. He says it is nice to see that they're taking some accountability and safety measures, but expressed concern about their eagerness to reopen. He says they will certainly be sending any medical bills directly to the rink. For now in the newsroom, Hope Winter, News 4.